Did you notice that the first thing that's requested when you open Netflix is your age? Netflix does nothing except waiting for you to type your age. And this waiting in Java, we named it as the user input. Java asks the user for an input. How? Using a scanner. So today we're going to explain the scanner and the user input. Be ready. To simplify things, I prepared a powerful PowerPoint to explain scanner and user input step by step. So first of all, what's scanner in Java? Scanner allows Java to take input from the user. As I said, it's a tool that's used when we want to take an input from the user. It makes the programs interactive. The program pauses until input is entered. So when we are running the program and Java reach the scanner, it pauses the program, asks the user for the input. Whenever the user puts his input, it will continue running the program. So why scanner is important? Without scanner, Java runs fixed code. With the scanner, Java reacts to user input. It's used in real applications. In other words, Java scanners allows us to deal with several data or with several user input. Step 1. Import scanner. To get the scanner, we should write in the first line, okay, in our code, import java.yodel.scanner. What I'm telling Java is import from the java.yodel. Java.yodel is a package that has ready tools to use. One of the tools that I can use is the scanner. I am telling Java to import to allow me to use the scanner, a ready tool, from a package which is java.yodel. Okay, so step 2, create scanner. To create a scanner, by the way, we should write import java.yodel scanner in the first line in our code, as I said, so outside the class, okay, outside the public class. And to create a scanner, the creation of the scanner should be inside our main, okay, and as we know, the main is inside the class, okay. So to create a scanner, we should write scanner, the name of the scanner equal new scanner, and something between this parentheses. This something is telling Java that I want the scanner to read from the keyboard, okay. So what I'm telling Java is I want to create a new scanner which has a name of input, and this scanner I want from it to read from the keyboard, from the user's keyboard, okay. So reading user input, an example, system.out.print enter your age. You simply print on the screen for the user to enter his age, and then your job is to take his age and store it in the memory. How to store in the memory? As we said, use variables, okay. So you simply need to create a variable of type integer and has a name of age, for example, equal this. We need to allow Java to take the age that the user puts and store it in this variable. The syntax is the name of the scanner dot next integer input, the name of the scanner dot next integer int, and two parentheses. This is the syntax that allows Java to take the age from the user and store it in the memory using a variable. Using the input, there are several uses, so we can simply print the age of the user using system.out.println age entered plus our variable name, which is age, and it has many uses in logic or calculations. Common scanner methods. Okay, so when you expect the user to enter an integer, you should write next integer. When you expect from the user to enter a line or a sentence or a text, we should write next line. And when we expect to enter a double, we should write next double. What I mean is, when we expect the user to enter his age as an integer number, we wrote this input.next integer. So the scanner will definitely read an integer. It will not read a text. It will not read a double. So some examples, for example, double number equal input.next double, as I said, okay. String sentence input.next line. And note, if the user type a sentence, but you define your scanner to take integer, this will result in an error, definitely. That's it for today, and be prepared for the next video. I will solve exercises on scanner, and then I will start by the if-else statements.